welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a velvet scrunchie. This is a rainbow pattern. For that we need a rubber band. You can use any color rubber band, a 3.5 mm crochet hook, a scissor, and a rainbow pattern chunky or velvet yarn. Make a knot. Use a rubber band with crochet hook. Make one single crochet and now start making half double crochets. We need to make 23 half double crochets to cover the rubber band. You can also use big size crochets. Crochet hook can be of big size. Now we are done with our 23 single crochets. Make a slip stitch. You can use it as it is, like the one I already made. See, or you can a bit modify it. Make 3 chain and same stitch make a slip stitch. Repeat the pattern 1 2 3 and a slip stitch 1 2 3 and a slip stitch 1 2 3 and a slip stitch. Repeat the pattern till the end. This will give us a good flirty scrunchie. make a slip knot. Now yarn, pull the yarn, leave a tail. Now hide the thread. Cut the extra yarn. We are done. We're done with our scrunchie. Look how nice. Now we have two different style of scrunchies ready. Hope you like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to Shade of Wool Art. Thank you.